Hey friends, today I am creating another ATC card. This is my 12th ATC card of the year for the 52 Pieces of Art Challenge hosted by Dee over on her Facebook group, Dee's Crafty Swaps. And since today is Puppy Day, I thought it would be super fun to make a dog themed ATC card. So let's get started. So I have a couple things pulled out that I was thinking about possibly using. I've got this little dog cardstock cutout ephemera piece here that's been in my stash for a long time. I've got some black and white ribbon here. I kind of thought it went. This reminds me of like a little Dalmatian. I have these frames that I thought about using, and then I pulled this DCWV Playful Pets matte stack, and I have used a little bit of this. So I have some scraps here. I'm thinking using scraps. I also have my base already cut out of this kind of teal cardstock. Again, your ATC card is 2.5 by 3.5. But I'll do a quick flip through of the paper pad. It is double-sided. It's, different pets, so not just dogs, but you get 2 of each sheet. This would be super cute as well, or even that. So they are got some gold foiled in here. This one's really fun as well. This one's got kitties, some paw prints. This one has some fun bunnies, which would be a super cute one for Easter as well. This one has the kitty and the goldfish. This one has polka dot and the bunny, some plaid. Here is the fish. Some fun polka dots. This one has like yarn and balls. And that is it. So those are all of the papers you get in here. But I have a couple of scraps here. So I think I might try to incorporate these scraps instead of using a big piece. So maybe we'll turn this over and we can use this on the front. All right, so let's go ahead and cut these 2 down to 3.5. And I think we can do some paper tearing. So let's go ahead and add this one down. And I'm going to go ahead and add this one down, even though it's got the top of the paper there, because we're going to cover that up with the other paper. So let's add that down, and then I'm just going to tear this one. And I think I am going to grab some ink and maybe ink it a little bit. I think I'll use my blue. I think I'll use this chipped sapphire. And I'm using this little makeup brush from the Dollar Tree. It works awesome for this. So let's go ahead and ink this up. And I'll go ahead and ink this up as well. right, and then we can add this piece down. With the little teal in the bones. All right, there we go. Yeah, I think that's cute with the tearing and then the plaid in the background. And then this is what our back will just be, a solid piece. Now, I need to decide if I want to add any of this ribbon on here or if that's just too much black and white. He pretty much takes up the whole card. I also thought it might be fun to use one of these frames. Let's see what we have. We don't need the "we are here." Don't know about that one. Here we have the best day. Is that too much teal? We could kind of poke the doggy behind the frame. Let's see, can we poke his other ear out? Maybe we could just poke one ear out. And kind of incorporate the frame as well. These are frames I've been wanting to use up. Or we make it, we just put our frame and then kind of use that as interest. So if we're doing that, maybe we should use different color. I kind of think this mustard is fun because it kind of picks up that color. All right, let's go for it because I want to use up these little frames. They are adhesive backed, but because it is hanging off the side of my card, I'm not going to pull the adhesive. I'm just going to add this myself. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue around it. And then we'll add this down just for a little bit of extra like interest. And then we can cover up good times, or we can move. Let's see, I think we need, let's put a little glue here, right there. Then let's add just a touch to add it down there, and that'll give it that'll make it a little secure. But yeah, I think I want to add my puppy down here, but I kind of want to add him off to the side a little bit, so you can kind of see that good times. So I'm gonna need to cover that up with something. So we're gonna need to kind of hide that says good times. So we could pull in, let's see, we could pull in, maybe we could pull in that woof woof. It's kind of cut off at the top a little bit. All right, not big enough to cover it up. Let's do, I'm not liking that either. So let's grab this sheet has words on it here. Woof, woof, bark. Let's try to cut out one of the woof, woofs. Doesn't have to be perfect. And hopefully it is wide enough to cover up that if I cut it just so. I did not cut that very straight. Yeah. We could almost just do one woof. But again, it's going to get covered up by our dog, which is okay. So maybe we just want to make it a... I'm going to keep this woof woof. Try to incorporate that. Do we want to... No, I don't want to add that. Oh, I was thinking this one was going to be easy. Maybe a star? What about a star? I've got these foam stars. I'm not sure I like the gold though. Nah, don't like that. So we might have to bring the doggy over enough where it covers that up. Let's just do that, and then that will cover up the wording on the frame. So let's see, do I want to give him some dimension? If we give him dimension, you might see the word still. No, I think that's good. All right, so we need to give him some stability there. Let's cut this down. I don't think we need the whole piece. All right, that's good. Let's go ahead and add our dog down, and then we can maybe add a sentiment or something. With him. So we need to make sure we cover up our good times. All right, and then we have the woof woof. We could still use that, but I think I'm going to trim them out individually instead of having one long piece. Maybe something like that. And then we could pop those up with some foam tape as well. All right, here we go. Let's do wolf. Woof woof over here. And then the other word we have is puppy, dog, bark. So I don't think we need any of that. Or we've got best friend, but there's not a really good one. So I think I'm done with this paper pad for now. And we're done with our frames. So now we need to add maybe some enamel dots or some bling or something else to this as well. Let's see. I do have a cute paper clip that I was just gifted, but it's lime green. Let's see. Maybe we could incorporate our paper clip there. You can't really make it out very well. But we could add that on there. That gives a little bit of different dimension and texture. And then we could do a couple of little dots. Let's be brave and pull out my Nuvo drops. The last time I tried to use these, it was a disaster. So let me pull out a scrap and try to make sure I can get some out neatly. Maybe. Let's go for it. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's do one there. Okay, and then that kind of ties in with the little black spots. I love the teal in the background and then the gold, and I think our little paper clip really pulls this all together. Super cute. I love how this one turned out. I'm having so much fun creating these with you guys. I hope you are having fun and creating these along with us. And heading over to Dee's channel, everybody is posting the ones that they have created and sharing their creations, so you can get lots of inspiration over there. And she has been doing some different swaps with these where you can swap with one card or 2 cards or 3 cards or 4 cards or whatever you would like with a partner. And we just did a D-Stash swap over there too. So it will be linked in the description box if you'd like to go over and check out her channel. All right, guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I'm going to try not to touch those little Nuvo drops there. But here is our cute Puppy Day ATC card. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye.